Welcome back to Mondrew. Do you know what's happened today? We're putting that engine in this old crappy shed. We're going to make the fastest chicken run in Bristol. So you better watch out, because this thing will probably break down in front of you.
Let's have a look interior. Boom. Boom. Good. And the engine bay? Good. Good running engine. Cool. Alright, so we'll give you updates on how it all goes.
It's gone all wrong. No, so the progress so far is the engine's in the air, gearbox isn't on the engine, that would probably be a good place to start. So now, next time you see it, it should be on air. Talk to you in a minute. So, as you can see, gearbox on and starter in, and all the bolts are just about to be done up. So we're making good progress. After this, obviously, check everything over and in she goes. Oh.
Cracking.
We're nearly there. Just putting the engine in, as you can see, it's in. We are missing one of the mounts. So what we're going to do, spare golf. You can guess what we're going to do. We're going to nick the mount. Poor sod who's going to buy it. No, I'm joking. We'll get another one. Otherwise, probably going to make one at work tomorrow. But anyway, so that's almost in. So we're doing good progress. After that, we've got all the fuel lines to connect, all the vacuum lines, all the coolant lines, all the power steering lines, everything basically. And then give her a start, and we'll obviously get back to you when we get to that kind of stage. I'm done.
What are you doing?
I'm done. I need food. We're going in, Kev.
Good chicken. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that'd be good.
That's fucking horrible.
Boss, thank you much.
I'll give you this straws, Ronnie.
Yeah, my friend.
There we get ready. So, taking a while because we needed some bits that we didn't have, but we've got an engine in. So obviously under its own weight now, as you can see, 180 sat lovely. So tomorrow we will be back, obviously for you a couple of seconds, for us a few hours, with it starting up. So how about we go to the morning? So we're back, and guess what? It's day 2. So it's actually light again, which is helpful. Same spot, obviously we haven't touched it yet. We thought we'd wait for you. And today we need to tap the engine mounts because someone's followed those threads. Treat. So that's the next thing to do. And then we're going to tackle the snake of wiring and put all the vacuum lines on. And then we're nearly ready to start. So we'll get back in a minute. So it's been a long day, but finally we're ready. We're going to put some fuel in her, as she's completely dry. So here we go. Ooh! It's good. And that'll be it then. Then next thing is check everything over, give it a little run over, because we need to get some oil around the engine, because she hasn't been around for a while. And then give it a run. No exhaust, but we'll deal with that. You'll be there for the journey. So here we go. Right, so we're just going to see if she'll crank over a minute because I haven't got the plugs in, and see if we've got any little leaks or anything. Ready? Yeah, it should be all good to go. Right. Nothing? Yeah, stop. It's good. Right, so we've just ran it through with no plugs in, try and get some oil around, so that's okay. And now we're going to give it a start. Well, hopefully, anyway. Let's hope we don't catch on fire. Straight on. Easy.
Good. Running good.
How easy was that, eh? Sounds fucking lovely.
It does sound good.
Perfect. Right, so as you just heard, the engine's running, and it's running lovely. So we're happy about that. And we don't have it revving at the moment, but that's because we got the wrong vacuum line on there. This is a bit of a bodge at the moment. We'll sort that out. But we're happy, it's running. So next video, you'll probably see us doing maybe the hubs or something. We obviously now need to work on all of this. So that'll be the next video. So we will catch you soon.